In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can highlight the blank cells in Microsoft Excel. For this, we just need to select a range. This is our 4 column and we are selecting our 4 column. Then we are going to select conditional formatting. Click there and you will see an option which is new rule. Click there. Here there is an option called format only cell that contains. We are selecting this and cell value format only cells with that will be blanks. That means if the cell value is blank, then it will be formatted as we want. Let's format this. From format option, click there and fill. We are going to select red color for this selection color. Then OK. Then press OK again. Now you can see those are our blank rows and blank cells and has been selected as we want. This is how you can highlight blank cells in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.